Let us study the topic drainage systems in India. The drainage systems of India are mainly controlled by the broad relief features of the subcontinent, especially the mountains. From mountains or highlands, rivers originate. Accordingly, we can divide the Indian rivers into two major groups, the Himalayan rivers and peninsular rivers. The Himalayan rivers originate from Himalayas. The peninsular rivers originate from central highlands, western Ghats, and eastern Ghats. And do you know, world's largest drainage basin is of Amazon River, and India's largest drainage basin is in Ganga. Apart from originating from the two major physiographic regions of India, the Himalayan and peninsular rivers are different from each other. Though they originate from mountains, they are different from each other. Let us see what are the differences. The Himalayan rivers are perennial. What do you mean by the term perennial? It means that they have water throughout the year. From where they are getting water throughout the year? They get water from rain as well as melted snow from the lofty mountains. And the major Himalayan rivers, Indus and Brahmaputra, originate from the north of Himalayas. They cut through the mountains, making gorges. In the case of peninsular rivers, gorges are less. This is a gorge, a deep valley with a river flowing through it. That particular feature is known as a gorge. They perform intensive erosional activity in their upper courses and carry huge loads of silt and sand. As you all know, the river is having upper course, middle course, and lower course. In the upper course, the speed of the water is maximum. Very fast flowing water. It will break down the mountain. It will undergo weathering. Because of this thing, you will get a large quantity of silt, sand, sediments, etc. It will be carried down to the valley. In the middle and lower courses, where it will be entering the plain area. From mountain, it will enter the plain area and the speed will be minimum. And it will create the features like meander, oxbow lake, and other depositional features. They will also have deltas. You could see the picture. Zigzag pattern of river is known as meander. When a portion of meander is cut off, when it is in the shape of a hair bow, that is what we mean by oxbow lake. And where it is entering the ocean or sea, the deposits will be deposited, the sediments will be deposited in the form of a triangle. That is what we mean by delta. Peninsular rivers, as I told you, originate from central highlands, western Ghats, and eastern Ghats. They are seasonal because in central highlands, in western Ghats, in eastern Ghats, we could hardly see the snow. They have to depend on rainfall. Because of this reason, they are seasonal. And during the dry season, summer season, they will be reducing themselves into small channels. Water will be very less. So they will be like canal channels, etc. And they have shorter and shallower courses. That is, the distances they cover will be very less. They will not be very deep. Himalayan rivers will have longer courses. Peninsular rivers will have shorter courses. And they are shallow too. They are not very deep compared to the Himalayan rivers. Some of the peninsular rivers originating in central highlands. They originate from central highlands. They are supposed to go towards the Bay of Bengal, but they flow towards the west, towards the Arabian Sea. Which are they? Narmada and Dam. They flows towards west into the Arabian Sea, and others will be draining itself into Bay of Bengal. Hopefully, you understood the topic. Thank you so much.